Okay, so we're actually in our final hours before the big day, the big launch and this road trip. I have no clue what to expect, and honestly, I think I'm up for anything. After our first test involved everything getting canceled because the campsite got flooded. The second hurdle was on my first camp test, the bed broke. And then on my third and latest hurdle that just happened days ago, the car's tire got totaled and I had to fix it to a tune of $500. So the whole process has actually been quite fun, and this is the most boring. I'm a big picture person, and right now this is all the details. It's like all the packing, figuring out what's the right thing to bring. Whew, I actually don't want to complain, because the truth is I have such privilege to be able to do this at all. I have hustled, I've worked my ass off to find an affordable secondhand car, as they say, or pre-owned as they say, but I like to think of it as secondhand because it feels more vintage. But even so, I worked really hard to find this van that I could afford. I've worked really hard to do this on a budget. I have jumped over every hurdle that has been thrown my way, and now I am committing to 2 months on the road with my child in a setup that I've never done before. Okay, packing is happening, but I have too much stuff and I'm trying to figure out how to pare down, and I haven't really overpacked. So just trying to pare down right now. It's really different when you're packing for 2-3 months and you have people moving into your place, so you can't even get back to your stuff. So it has me thinking of all the things we could potentially do on this trip, from cities to rural to camping, swimming, all the things. And to be honest, some people say, yeah, well, you could just buy it on the road, but honestly, I am on a tight budget and I don't want to go shopping for random things that we've forgotten. But time is of the essence. I'm throwing a party. We gotta go. Final piece. Yeah. This is it. Come in for a close-up. Oh my god. Oh, it's happening. Epic trip. I will be repacking this car, but we did it. We're on our way. Oh my god. It is not camp ready yet, but it will be. My daughter's just told me that she actually really likes the setup back here. Yeah, and she's got all her toys and things. There's even some flowers. Akio is getting used to it. Did you mean to give him your stuffy? Okay, he's hanging out with her stuffy. And it's official, we're fully charged up to 97%. We don't always do that, but for a long trip, we're going the first 3 hours to Kingston, and after that, we are heading to Toronto. And from Toronto, we'll be going to Killarney Provincial Park, and I can't wait! Yeah, okay, can't wait to share the drive with you.